hair cold, dark skin, light skin, medium tones, pumping braids, got mini afros, big lips, got tips, some of us don't, big nose contours, some of us won't, never wanna pass in a video, bro, wanna fight pretty like a Kardashian, wanna put pretty in my eyes.
Guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tin if you're new. In today's video, we have a unit that was sent over from Ashimary Hair. Today's unit is their reddish brown colored body wave wig, and they offer this unit in 5x5, 13x4, and 13x6. I received the 13x6. I remember talking to one of you guys in the comment section, and one of you said that you wanted to see more 13x6s, so just wanted to let you guys know that Ashimary is a company that offers them. This is how the unit is looking online, and then this is how the unit is looking in person. I would say that yes, it is pretty much the same exact unit. Now, I like to do these comparisons just because I know that some companies will put up one picture, and then when you get the unit, you're just kind of like, girl, what is this? Yeah, no, I haven't had that problem, that issue with Ashimary so far. I do want to let you guys know though, this unit did not come with these curls specifically in the unit. It did come with curls, but I did go in and shampoo, condition, and blow dry the hair, and then I also turned around and recurled the hair. I actually recurled this hair yesterday, and the curls are still holding on pretty good, so we love that. But yeah, I just want to let you guys know that the unit does come in a curled state, just not with these specific curls. The cap construction for this unit comes with 3 combs in total, one here in the back, the other 2 are in the front with one on each side, and then it also comes with the adjustable straps here in the back. There is no security band. Yeah, there is no security band inside, and one didn't come in the packaging either. Speaking of packaging, your unit will come in this cute little satin bag that has Ashimary's logo on it. You can put your unit back in here when you're finished wearing her, of course. You also will get some eyelashes, a wig cap, an edge brush, and elastic band with their logo on it as well. My favorite part, a razor comb, or not a razor comb, a razor to help you cut off the lace. They also tend to send robes. Now, I already have one of their robes. I think this might be my 3rd or 4th robe at this point, but yes, you get a robe, and then they also sent this go around like this cute little nightgown. Like, I already pulled it out of the package and looked at it, but yeah, those are some cute little goodies that you get along with your unit. But anywho, back to the specs for this unit. They offered in 3 different densities of 150, 180, and 250% density. I received the 250%. They also offer this unit in multiple lengths of 10 all the way down to 30 inches. I received the 24 inch. The lace on this unit is a medium brown color, but it says on the website if you need transparent lace to just leave a note and they'll get that handled for you. But I think those are the only specs that I want to go over right now. Let's go ahead and install this unit, and if I think of any more specs or details regarding the unit, I'll let you guys know afterwards, along with my final thoughts about the unit.
Said you to me, I'm just hoping I don't beat history. Boy, I'm trying to meet mama on Sunday, the nigga I love on Monday. I need no one else, babe, 'cause I'll be switching in positions for you. Getting in the kitchen and in the bedroom. I need it, they say I'm coming through. I wanna love you, and there's nothing I wouldn't do. I don't switching in positions for you. Getting in the kitchen and in the bedroom. I need it, they say I'm coming through. Sessions for you, some shit that yes, you don't do. The way you walk up, kinda want to. Just come from you, down to me. Switching up the sessions for you. Kitchen in the bedroom. Let me say I'm coming through. My love is in it, nothing I wouldn't do. Wanna go, switching for you.
Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about this unit from Ashimary. Earlier, I spoke about how I would let you guys know of any specs that I forgot to speak about in the beginning of the unit, and the first one I want to talk about are the knots on this unit. Now, I did want to let you guys know that the knots on this unit aren't big or anything like that, but I did bleach this unit for about 45 minutes using Clairol's BW2 and 40 volume developer, and yeah, the knots did not disappear like at all. Again, don't get me wrong, the unit doesn't look bad. It actually looks like really freaking good, but I don't know, because the knots were already so small, I figured if I bleached the knots again, then they would pretty much like disappear. But no, that wasn't the case whatsoever. I don't know, something I'm starting to notice when it comes to red units, I always have a hard time when it comes to bleaching the knots. So now I'm kind of wondering, do knots just like not disappear when it comes to red units? Like, I've said it before, I'm not a cosmetologist or anything like that, so let me know down in the comments if you know the answer to that question. Another spec that I didn't speak on in the beginning of the video is that the cap sizing on the website for this unit says that it's a medium cap size, which I'm assuming is a 22 to 22.5 inch circumference head. I do have a 23 circumference size head, so just know that this unit is for sure big head friendly, because I did go in and adjust the adjustable straps, and most of the time I take it in like 1 to 2 loops. Yeah, but this time I went in 3. Like, I pretty much went in all the way to the combs, and it's fitting so nicely. So far, I'm really liking the density of this unit. Again, I did get the 250% density, and honestly, I would always recommend that density when it comes to Ashimary Hair. Like, no tea, no shade, but their units do tend to shed often, so I don't know, I feel like when you get more density, you have a longer lasting unit. You know what I mean? But speaking of tangling and shedding, I am getting a few tangles here and there, and as far as shedding is concerned, it's not shedding as much as my past Ashimary Hair units have shedded. The few strands I have received, I'm pretty sure are from me plucking the hairline, because I went in when it came to this hairline. Also, speaking of the hairline, it did come pre-plucked, but again, I went in just because, I don't know, I felt like it needed a lot more attention. The lace on this unit melted really nicely. In all honesty, I need to pick up a black unit from Ashimary, because I don't think I have like just a solid 1B color type of unit from Ashimary Hair, and I don't know, just with the lace melting so nicely, I feel like I could get away with like not wearing makeup with an all black wig from Ashimary. I don't know, I just feel like it would look really good, because again, the lace melted so nicely. And I don't know, it could be me, but I feel like whenever I wear a colorful unit, I always feel like I need to wear makeup with it, because then it like makes me feel more put together. Number one, why couldn't I say that? Lord help me. It makes me feel more put together, but then also I feel like it elevates the wig, versus when I wear a more natural colored wig, I feel like I could or couldn't wear makeup and the unit would still look good. Probably more so because it's a natural color, but I don't know. That's just my feelings on wearing makeup with wigs. I don't know, I just wanted to clarify that. I will say that after I shampooed, conditioned, and then blow dried the hair was extremely soft, but of course I did go in and recurl the hair, and I added a ton of hairspray, so like naturally that made the hair dry and crunchy. So currently she's a little bit dry, but if I had some bio silk, I would just like put a dime size in the hair, and then I feel like that would like bring a little bit of moisture and shine back to the hair. After I finish this video, I will be heading to the beauty supply store, because I need to re-up on some hair care items, because I can't be out of my hair care items, girl. But yeah, I'm loving the hair, loving the color, because obviously it's perfect for fall, and fall is practically here. But you guys let me know what you think and how you feel down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell, that way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at Dotson. I'll be sure to have all of the information for this unit down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.